Have you ever dragged a sprite into your Unity scene, set the order in layer higher than your background, and it still refuses to show up? Yeah, you're not crazy. Unity is doing exactly what it's designed to do. In this video, I'll explain why sprites don't appear over UI backgrounds and show you 3 correct ways to fix it depending on your use case. The issue happens when you mix 2 different systems in Unity. UI images live on a canvas, while sprites use a sprite renderer. When your background is created using UI image, Unity renders that UI after all sprites in the scene. That means order in layer does nothing because UI always draws on top. A lot of developers try increasing order in layer or changing sorting layers, but that only works between sprites, not between sprites and UI. So let's fix it the right way. If your sprite is part of the UI, like icons, characters in menus, or overlays, the best solution is to keep everything inside the canvas. Create a new UI image. Assign your sprite and place it above the background in the canvas hierarchy. In UI, hierarchy order equals draw order. You now can see the new image stay in front of background. If your sprite belongs to the game world, then your background should not be UI. Instead, use a sprite renderer for the background. And control sorting using sorting layers and order in layer. Now Unity renders everything correctly in world space. For advanced setups, you can switch the canvas to world space or screen space, camera. This allows sorting layers to work, but be careful with scaling and resolution. Only use this if you know why you need it. So remember this rule, UI goes with UI. Sprites go with sprites. Don't mix them unless you understand how canvas rendering works. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.